Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Today we are proud to showcase a popular Filipino barbecue stall in Melbourne, Australia, and also part on Queen Victoria Night Market, the Boys Barbecue EATZ. Serving up authentic Filipino street food fresh off the grill. Their menu includes favorites such as spit roast meats with rice and chicken and pork barbecue skewers. Please like, share, and subscribe. So many people at Queen Victoria Winter Night Market and customers are keep on coming in. Truly a complete success to our Filipino brothers. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. Proud Filipino here in Australia. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.